I got two! I got two! Oh, no, he's big, eh? Did you guys have any beer? No,
Nope.
Oh, I'm excited.
We didn't have any beer.
Good.
No beers.
I'm gonna make you nice and clean, wash it up, and you too, you get it back. I down by the sea. He's a big one. He's huge. You like that, huh? Say
That's
hello to
a
my little
beautiful
friends.
catch, buddy.
Say hello to Frank and Bob. They're big, eh? Look at those suckers. It's a big fish. You got some pooper in his belly. Look. It's like me, eh?
Yeah. He sounds just like your mom. He got poopy.
Chicken tail feathers. Chicken tail feathers. Hey, hey, hey! Damn, what you want to talk to me about that? Oh! What you looking at, Willis? Huh? You talking to me? You talking to me? That's it, I'm guarding my friend George. He's gonna beat your ass. I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass. You leave Frank alone. Okay.